Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Ask for what you want. Find the courage to ask for what you want. Others have the right to tell you yes or no, but you always have the right to ask. Likewise, everyone has the right to ask you for what they want, and you have the right to say yes or no. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 11, NASDAQ down 11, S&P's off 2, gold contract down $45, trading at $1,189 an ounce. Silver off 85 cents at $19.20 an ounce. Platinum down 15 at $1,320 an ounce. Copper off 2 pennies at $3.29 a pound. Light sweet crude up 97 cents, trading at $98.77 a barrel. Bonds, 10-year down 26, trading out at 123.21. 30-year off 3 ticks at 129.05. So the curve got skewed into the shorter term time frame. King dollar up 542 ticks, trading out at 80.79. The euro down 28 at 136.57, and the yen flat at 104.21. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Well, what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at it. What do you have? You got a flat market out here. We did 690 million versus 883. And that's expected after the amount of energy that was put in the market yesterday, folks. So right now, you get your cash S&P. We're at the 1807.97. And, we'll see if it can basically get up and over that 1813. That's the number, 1813 of the high. Dow Industrials. We go over to the Dow. We take a look at the Dow. Dow is a flat market out there, up 11 bucks. We're at 16,179. And that's $4, 4 points over the high. NASDAQ Composite. What we have with the composite, composite's having a, it was a flat market also, down 11 bucks, flat market though. The high in the NASDAQ, folks, is 4081, and right now we're at 4058. We did 1.7 billion versus the 2.1 billion of yesterday. So bottom line, we'll see whether she can make it up and over those levels. We take a look at the SPY. We had the SPY out here today. The SPY did some good volume, really. I mean, yesterday was a monster, but today wasn't bad either. Now, the difference in today is that you didn't have the price spread. So, we'll see how this baby does shake out. Right now, we are at 181.49. The high out there is that 181.75. The NDX 100, if we take a look at the 3 Qs, what we have with the 3 Qs, she is at 85.90, and that correlation up there is 86.53. Small caps and the NASDAQ 100, basically, well, the small caps are the weakest. The small caps came back 84 cents today, the IWM. If we look at the actual indice, what we have with the indice is that the Russell right now is at 1125, and the high that was generated out there is 1147. So the Russell not only is not at its highs, the Russell, to me, is saying that, guess what, we're going south. Gold contract. Okay, so we did with gold out here, folks. We're into the 28th of June. We're into that swing point there. We did 191,000 contracts. That is with about 30 to 35% lighter volume. The bottom that was generated on the 28th is at 1187. I expect what you're going to see, we got to 1186 today. That's going to probably get spiked again. If we go to the GLD and you want to see the correlation, though, whether there's real selling inside of that market, you had the price destruction, but you didn't have the juice right behind it, okay? We did 15 million shares. That 15 million was going into 32 million shares. King dollar. We got our man, Dave from Clearwater. This is going to be beautiful. He's giving me nightmares, man. It's a beautiful thing. All right, only kidding. DXH4. Let's go take a look at King dollar. Okay. So King dollar out here, 21,000 contracts. She's trading at 80.79. Let's go to Kim in Long Island first. Hey, Kim, what's going on?
Hey, I want to buy gold coins in hold for 5 years. Is now the time?
Why do you say hold for 5 years?
3 to 5.
Okay, so you're not holding for a dollar amount?
Yeah, 2,500.
2,500. Okay, so this is what's going to happen. This is the time to buy gold coins, okay? What you're going to see, and this is one of the correlations, folks, that on a fundamental basis, you'll see how this works. So when gold's going down, in the middle, not in a huge downdraft like this, what you'll see is that you're going to be paying, you know, about $30 a coin. When you try to buy them this afternoon, Kim, what you're going to see is that you're going to be paying $60, $70 a coin as a premium. But you want to buy gold, this is the time to buy gold, man. But I'm just explaining to you that the premium goes up. So it's always one of these correlations, folks, when you're in the actual physical market, what the price is and then what the premium is. And when you want to look at the premium, Kim, you're going to lose the premium when gold is at its highs. Because when it's highs, no one pays premium. The premium's at $20 or something. Do you know what I mean?
Okay, I don't want to pay Gold Line's prices, the 13% front load.
Okay, well, call Bel Air Coin. Call Bel Air Coin. It's in Bel Air, Florida. They're great. You just tell them that Tom O'Brien sent you. They won't. They've been in business forever. They're great guys. Call them.
Excellent.
Okay, man. Have a great one. Have a safe one. Let's go to Dave in Clearwater. Hey, what's going on?
Tom, nightmare is such a strong word.
I had to say that. It was pretty funny.
I was telling you, man, when I saw when the Fed announcement came out,
yes,
I kid you not, man, I just busted out laughing. I absolutely busted out laughing. Hey, listen, there's one thing I didn't want to say, man. I straight out, I took your advice. And you can't hear it right now, but my wife, she and I have been together 20 years, and I've been very blessed from the good Lord because I got a great marriage. And
yes.
After 20 years, my wife and I still love each other.
Sweet.
You know, we're happy to be together.
That's so great, man.
She's my best friend, and hands down, and we got 2 great kids. But the point I want to make to you is she's been wanting a GMC Yukon, the Denali edition, this big cash guzzling. She's into SUVs. And right now, I'm currently driving home her Christmas gift.
That is so cool, Dave. Oh, I'm so proud of you.
Dude, you're not even going to be I wish I could see I wish I could show you the smile on her face because she has no idea I'm going to park it at my buddy's house. But yeah, I'm driving back from the GMC dealership right now as we're having this conversation in a brand new ride. That I tell you, I almost want to get a vanity license plate that says natural gas.
Totally.
It's her ride, and so she's probably going to put an FSU plate on there, being that she's a FSU
That's good.
fan.
That's all right. That's all right, man.
But
congratulations, man.
The question I have for you is, and I want to make a trade. I want to offer a trade with you instead of having you buy any dinner at Salt Rock.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I mean this from the heart, man. You know what I would sincerely love?
What?
Let's say like half hour, 45 minutes of your time in your office in front of a screen, and I would love just to be able to ask you some questions about candlestick formation, things along those lines, questions I've been wanting to ask.
We'll do both. We'll do both. Yes, for sure.
Awesome.
Yeah, for sure, man.
Awesome.
That is so cool, Dave. That is so cool. It's amazing, no doubt. And you know, if you didn't get the clip, folks, okay, Dave and I, he was calling saying flat out, hey, listen, gold's doing an ABC down. It did it exactly to the number 2, by the way, folks, and the dollar's going up, and you know, and he got it all. And that's now we're not even talking natural gas. I'm glad you bought the Yukon with natural gas because natural gas went too. I know.
It went, dude. It totally went up, man. And I was like, oh, I missed it. And you know why I missed it? Because I'm buying a Yukon, man.
But you know what the great news is, and you're going to have that Yukon. Your wife's going to have that Yukon. And what I've found, folks, is this: there's the amount of enjoyment that you get out of it on a continual basis. It's awesome, man. And forget it. It's even more beautiful. You bought it for your wife. That is totally where it's at. It's just awesome, man. I'm so proud of you, man. And listen, just give me, you know, give the office a buzz when I'm here in the daytime. Do you know what I mean? I'm always here, but call me and we'll set it up when you guys come in. All right?
Awesome. We'll do so. Quick question for you on gold. Thank you for your generosity with your time, Tom. Quick question on gold. Intraday, I did a small ABC down at 11.97. I did a buy order on one contract. Ended up getting stopped out And then I just don't know, with the Friday being tomorrow, what do you think?
Yeah, I think they're going to try to spike it tomorrow, you know.
Okay.
But I think we're there, but I think they're going to try to spike it. Cooking, brother.
Thanks, Tom.
Come right back, folks. You stay right there.